Hi friends, hope you all are fine and good. In this video you will see fabric swing twice. Fabric swing is a fundamental textile construction technique that involves joining two or more fabric layers using a needle and thread to form a permanent bond. This process is central to creating apparel, home textiles, upholstery, and many other fabric based products. The sewing process starts with the fabric preparation, which includes washing, ironing, and cutting fabric according to precise patterns or templates. Proper cutting ensures that pieces match accurately during assembly. Once the fabric pieces are ready, they are aligned carefully, typically with right sides facing each other if the seam is meant to be inside the final product. Pins, clips, or basting stitches temporarily hold the fabric in place, preventing shifting during sewing. In machine sewing, the fabric is fed through the sewing machine's feed dogs, which pull the material evenly while the needle moves to penetrate the fabric layers rapidly. The machine creates a series of stitches by looping the needle thread with a bobbin thread underneath, producing a strong seam. Different stitch types serve various purposes. Straight stitch, the most common, used for most seams. Zigzag stitch, used for stretch fabrics or seam finishing. Overlock stitch, commonly used with circles to trim and finish edges simultaneously. Decorative stitches, added for embellishment. The choice of thread is important. During sewing, maintaining proper tension between upper and bobbin threads is crucial. Incorrect tension can cause loose, puckering, or weak seam allowance. The extra fabric beyond the stitching line is typically between 0.5 cm to 1.5 cm and is vital for durability and fit adjustments. After stitching, the seam is pressed open or to one side to reduce bulk and create a neat finish. Seam allowances may be trimmed or finished with serging, picking, shears, binding, or zigzag stitches to prevent frying, especially on woven fabrics. Hemming is the process of the finishing of fabric edge by folding it under one or more times and stitching it in place. This prevents unraveling and provides a clean edge, especially important in garment hems, sleeves, and collars. Overall, fabric sewing combines technical skill and knowledge of materials and to transform flat fabric pieces into functional, durable, and visually appealing textile products. So guys, I really hope that you're really enjoying these ideas. If you have any question related to this video, please let me know in comment section. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Bye bye. Take care of yourself and remember me in your prayer.